Machine learning is currently one of the most talked about topics in the field of technology, and it's almost occupying everywhere, so as for me too. Hello dear friends, this activity is the most awaited activity for me, but at the same time simple and fascinated too, because it's less coded activity, right? So we are going to make ML object tracker using image classifiers. So what is machine language? It is the capability of a machine to imitate human intelligence, okay? To imitate intelligent human behavior. So in order to make this, we have to train the computer or the machine with data sets. So once it is trained, the machine will be able to detect or track or to identify the objects. So this is what we are going to do today. Let's get into the activity. Okay. So I am going to train my machine by giving different sets of images. Like, I'm going to train my system with giving a set of images of leaves, set of images of pencils, set of images of water bottles, and train my machine so that it will be able to identify the objects correctly. Okay. So let's open PictoBlox first. Let's select Python coding. Okay. Now let's click file and go to open ML environment. Okay. So this is our machine learning environment. So let's create a new project here. I'm going to give the name for the project as any project. So object tracker. Okay. And then select the project type. So we are going to use image classifier. Okay, I'm going to give more number of images. So I'm giving image classifier and create the project. So this is your environment where you are going to insert as many images as possible. So we have class 1, class 2. We can add one more class because I am going to have 3 classes. So the first class, let's name it as for example, let me give us leaf. Okay, then I can give pencil, right? Then I'm going to give the pictures of water bottles. Okay, sorry, water bottle. So done. Now we have to upload images. Either you can download images, a set of images, and you can upload it, or directly you can use your webcam. So I'm going to upload images of leaf. So choose images from your files. I have some leaf images. I'm opening that folder, selecting everything, open. Okay. So once again I have another set. Okay, the same thing I'm going to. Okay, so I have given some 136 sample leaves, and then let's upload the pictures of pencils. So let me go. I have 2 folders. Yeah. Select everything, open. I don't have much images for pencils, so I'm going to give the same thing once more so that it will be able to identify. Okay, this is also done. Now the next one is water bottle. Yeah, upload, choose images from your files, go to water bottles, select everything, open. Okay, so this is also done. Now we have uploaded all the images so that our machine will get trained based on these images. Okay, now let's train by clicking train model. Right, so please wait while the training is done. We have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. You can see here the training is in process, right? You can see now the training is completed. Okay, So we are going to test the image using webcam, right? So okay, so let's export this model now. Right, so it is asking us to wait, please. Yes, now we are going to execute the program by clicking run. So let's run the program, run the code, run all. Let's wait for it. As we got the image classification in window, let's maximize it. And now let's try showing a leaf. Yes, it is identifying as a leaf. Then let's show a pencil. Yes, it is identifying as a pencil. Now let me show a water bottle. Yes, it is identified as a water bottle. So let's try with another leaf. Yes, it is identifying as a leaf. Now one more pencil, let's try. Yes, and one more water bottle. Yes, we have trained the machine in such a way that it is able to identify the images very clearly. Very interesting, right? We have successfully completed the activity ML Object Tracker. Very simple activity with less coding. Hope you must have enjoyed. Thank you so much for all your appreciation and support. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.